Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a piece of technology that you find difficult to use. You should say, when did you get it? What did you get it for? How often do you use it? And how do you feel about it? So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and you need to make sure that all of these questions are answered within the 2 minutes that you are speaking. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So this question is asking you about a piece of technology, right? So you can talk about maybe an Apple phone, right? Some people find it very difficult to use Apple software when they switch over from Android to iOS software. So that can be something that you are finding difficult to use, or maybe a particular kind of equipment, maybe like a microwave or maybe some kind of headphones, right? So there are a lot of things that you can use for a question like this. The key point here is to answer all of these 4 questions that are given in your cue card. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Technology has led to a number of improvements that have made our lives simpler, more productive, as well as altered the way we connect with each other. But today, I would like to talk about my smartwatch, which I find quite complicated to use. So, altered means to change the way we connect with each other. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year on my birthday, I received cash as gift from my parents and relatives, and I purchased a smartwatch from the collected funds so I could track my daily steps, monitor my calorie intake, and become more oriented towards my fitness goal. So, more oriented means to become more focused towards your fitness. So, we have answered the first 2 questions, which is when did you get it and what did you get it for. We still have 2 other questions remaining, which is how often do you use it and how do you feel about it. So, let's answer that. However, in practicality, I face a lot of difficulties for my daily usage as the screen of the watch is quite small, which makes it hard to browse and select the different options. Moreover, there are various additional features like sleep tracking and blood pressure monitoring, which I don't really need for my everyday purposes and which make the dial even more crammed up and in fact tough to actually get to the feature that I really require. So crammed up means congested. That means there are like lot of features on that small dial of the watch which is making it difficult to use. And that's what we are trying to explain here. So as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration as to why we are finding it difficult to use, right? Also, we have used a lot of synonyms instead of repeating the word difficult again and again. We used complicated, tough, hard, and all of these will improve our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, its battery needs to be charged frequently, which further contributes to my daily woes. So now woes means troubles. So like it's a pain to charge your battery over and over. Like instead of using such an informal language, we are using a professional and an advanced language. Alright, so let's answer the last question, which is how do you feel about it? Finally, I feel that the digital watch has not proved to be a great buy for me, and I'm quite disappointed with it, as I think I could have used my funds in a more purposeful and rewarding manner. So, as you all can see, we use some good adjectives in the end as well, like purposeful and rewarding, which simply means using the funds in a better manner. So, instead of just saying that we could have used the funds in a better manner, we actually used two good adjectives here, which is purposeful and rewarding. You must have noticed that we used a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.